A few of you have been asking for a truck tour. There ain't much to see, but here's my 2017 T680. Put coffee down for a moment. And, alright, under the box. Got my tandem stopper there. He used to help me with my tandems. Some Arctic Power performance for the fuel tanks when it gets really cold, if I ever get up in the cold. Got my windshield washer fluid, oil, coolant in there, my triangles, my fueling gloves, my straps. I got two in the back. Got a hammer, broom, and the handle on the other side there if I need to sweep out a trailer. Alrighty, on the other side now, down below. Got my microwave here, and then some odds and ends, bags and trash bags and such. She's dirty, but that's the big fuel tank on this side, on the passenger side, and I got the small one over there. Alrighty, fire extinguisher there. I got my gloves here. Then I got a bunch of tools down in there. Such, and welcome to the inside. Alright, we'll do a quick tour in here, so there ain't much to see, but my GPS and this little gauge down here, for at least for Millis, is when your automatic degreaser for your fifth wheel gets low, that's gonna start chirping at you. We got the music volume here, channel, FM, AM, satellite radio, mute, cruise control, on and off set, speed, trolley brake, and then over here on the left side is your turn signals and your blinker. I mean your windshield. So this is for work lights behind the truck. And then lights are inside, and then your tester. I just cleaned this too, and it looks awful whitey. But anyways, water temp, oil temp, volts, RPMs, fuel. We got 230,000 on the truck, almost 231. Brake. You see how that goes up when I touch the brakes? We got my air pressure, and then we got DEF. Alrighty, over here we got oil temp, boost, suspension load. Right now I'm in neutral with air brakes on, so that will change. For example, watch. Comes down a little. And then fuel filter is looking good. 4 ways, parking lights, headlights, in-cab lights, spare, traction control on hill, jake brake on level 1, 2, and 3, automatic regen, spare. We got our suspension drop right here for our airbags on our tandems. We can drop our ass end of the truck to disconnect from the trailer. And then we got all axles are locked in, and then automatic fifth wheel release. Then the Qualcomm, and just quick, I got a compartment up here where I keep my permits, baby wipes and such, odds and ends. My wallet goes up there, my trip book. Got more space up here. I keep stuff in where my scanner is, my stapler and such. CB, of course. And then another compartment over there. And then I got another compartment up there where I keep just odds and ends. Local satellite antenna for the TV. Not satellite, but it's just regular antenna. And yeah, my camera. Everyone asks, what do I film on? It's not really showing up very well. Come on, light. There you go, right there. So that's what I film on right there. Pre-pass, company camera, and such. Underneath this seat, passenger seat, there is a compartment over there. Not sure if you can really see it right there. I got my crock pot in there and my lunchbox cooker with some other clean supplies and such. Glove box. And really, there isn't much here. Clean the trucks today. This is the fridge and the regional trucks. Alright. Goes underneath the bed here. And as you guys have all seen before this, the TV, my dirty clothes I hang up over there, and a jacket, direct TV box, and the bed. Alright, so I hope that helps, gives you guys a little tour of what the inside of the truck is looks like. Y'all have been asking, 2 or 3 of you have been asking me, and I apologize for taking so long to get this video up. So here it is. Hope you like. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share my channel.